Okay, good day to all science students. In this video, we are going now to proceed to the day 3 of week 2. This is also the continuation of the plant transport system. The main lesson, observation and microscopic analysis. So for lesson objectives, explain how the structures of plant transport tissues like xylem and phloem aid in the movement of water, nutrients, and food. Observe cross-section of plant stems or celery under a microscope and draw labeled diagrams, and show patience and attention to detail when observing plant structures and preparing slides. Okay, for activity, the title, Inside the Stem, Observing Xylem and Phloem. So, titingnan po ninyong direkta yan sa microscope. So, for the materials, 1 fresh stalk of celery or kangkong, microscope, slides and cover slips, scalpel or blade, dropper with water, staining solution that can be iodine or food coloring, tissue or filter paper, colored pencils and roller, lab sheet for drawing and reflection. So carefully slice a thin cross-section of the celery kangkong stem. Ask your teacher for assistance if needed. Place the slice onto a microscope slide, add a drop of water and cover it with cover slip. Place the slide under the microscope and adjust the focus until you clearly see the internal structures. So look for the circular or tube-like structures. These are likely xylem, larger, more open cells, and phloem, smaller, closer together. Once you have identified them, draw what you observe on your lab sheet. Label xylem, phloem, epidermis, and vascular bundle. Use colored pencil to shade different tissues based on their function. Be neat and accurate. Write a short paragraph explaining how the observed structures help transport materials and the plant. Reflect on the experience by answering this question. Why is patience important in scientific observation? So isa yan sa katangian din po ng mga scientist, yung mahabang pasensya. So for the rubric, using microscope, focus to well and follow the steps independently. Needed minimal help for lang. Kapag did not follow steps correctly, 1 to 2.